Hi kids, it's Miss Debbie of Fountaindale Library today. I'm going to teach you how to make a very fun and simple tissue paper flower. You can make these any size you want. Today I'm going to chose to make a 10 by 10 square one. So what I did was I took some tissue paper. I got like 6 different colors here and a yellow sheet too. I like the yellow centers in my flowers, but you can have whatever you want. And I stacked them all together then, and I measured 10 by 10 and I cut out my square, okay? And then my yellow piece, which was the one on top here, I cut it down a little bit narrower and I fringed it. And you see that? I cut down there. It'll make just a really fun center to our flower. So then, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fan fold it, or accordion pleat fold it, whatever way. Anyway, it's just flipping your paper back and forth like this, and then back like that. Okay, and mine's getting a little crooked, isn't it? Gotta make it a little bit better that way. Okay, make that fold there so it stays straight. Okay, so I'm going this way and this way until you get it all to the middle. And you want that yellow to be on top like this, okay? Just like that. Then you're going to decide what kind of ends do you want. Do you want round ones? Do you want pointy ones? I'm going to go with pointy ones right now. So I'm going to just kind of go to the center there, and then I'm going to come back to the center here, and I'm going to flip it around and do the same thing over here. I'm going to go almost make it like a triangle point and just come down to the end. See how easy that is? Then you're going to take your pipe cleaner, really doesn't matter what color that is, and you're going to bring it around and twist it at the base. You can kind of crunch it up just a touch probably too, okay? Like that. And then this is kind of the fun part. You get to start separating the colors, okay? So you see how I pull this one apart? Like that. And I'm going to pull the next one apart. Still blue like that, okay? So you're going to do that on this side, and then you're going to come around to this one, and you're going to do it on this side. Same thing, and then you're going to pull all these little ones to the middle. And you'll end up with something that looks like this. So see, I separated all the colors, and then I flip it, and it's always good to give it a nice little bunch in the center then too. And there you have it. You have your very nice tissue paper flower. Now remember, you can come to the library this week and pick up your supplies and replay the video and do it with the supplies that we give you at the library, okay? So I hope to see you in the library to pick up your tissue paper flower kit, and we'll see you next time.